So we are here on Stone Island, which is right next to Mazatlan. We did a recorrido, or a tour. Took us on a boat ride and we saw some sea lions. Who does a better sea lion? Or? Definitely me.
Bananas. Has anyone yet to point out that they actually kind of just look like pencils? Pencil boat ride doesn't have the same ring to it.
So we are here on Stone Island. We did a recorrido, or a tour. We paid 750 pesos for the two of us to come over here, go on a little boat ride. They provided unlimited drinks, a lunch as well, and then you got to do a couple of things. You could go on ATVs, horseback riding, banana boat ride, snorkeling. We wanted to do snorkeling, but they said the water was really murky and there wasn't much to see. You could see tires and Coke bottles and shoes and stuff, which makes me wonder why they offer it, because we were really excited for that.
But that's probably why they offered it, because everyone gets really excited about the possibility of snorkeling, and it seems reasonable that the water could be murky today as opposed to other days if it's windy, breezy, or there's waves, or really any reason.
But for a little day trip for 750 pesos, I think it was a pretty good deal. What do you think?
Yeah, they provide food. Seemed decent, like a pretty big plate of food. They even were able to accommodate me and my allergies and brought out a whole bunch of vegetables, and they brought out some tortillas that I could eat and made some special salsa, which was hot as
But they were really good about her allergies here. We haven't found that to be the case in a lot of places.
They say there's no onion, and then suddenly there's just little pieces of onion, which apparently don't count as onion.
On this island and in a lot of Mazatlan, we see these little huts where they have sticks in the ground, palm tree tops. The place where we were eating was a gigantic one.
The couple at our table, who speaks basically only Spanish, said that that's a key feature of Mazatlan, that's something that you'll see everywhere. They're handmade. I actually saw someone earlier today bringing a bunch of palm fronds on the back of a truck somewhere, which makes me wonder if they were off to go build another cool one of those or repair one. Asked me if I know what the Stingray Shuffle is, and I'm like, well, I know the Cupid Shuffle, but I don't think I know the Stingray Shuffle. Well, let's guess, because it looks like this.
That, my friends, are some skills.
To the right, to the right.
You don't want to see my dancing. You saw enough yesterday.
Oh no, here he goes again. We've reached the end of our tour now, and we are headed to the limousine.